Hi, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is your friend Hand here, and it is absolutely great to see you here this morning. Now, this morning I have something fantastic for video marketer and local marketer, but I think so. This software is absolutely designed to helping you to using your video skills and marketing to local business and get them as a client, and including the entire process from prospecting the customers to send them emails to get them closing the deals, and after that you have to creating the videos and also ranking the video for them. It's all in one software. But before you purchase this, I highly recommend you watch the rest of this review video. I'm going to talk about what I love about this software, what I don't like about this software, what you need actually watching out if you are an impatient person for the software. So let's get right into it and be very excited. So here we are at the Local Vid Pro. My bonus page, my review page. This is going to be a lifetime access license. You're going to get using this software, and right off the gate you're going to see the videos prove that you're actually ranking the video. This is very similar to what my software XRanker 360 does. You're using the stream process, YouTube live stream process, to get your video up there, and watching a live 500,000 listening page #1 under 60 seconds. So essentially you are selling multiple servers. You're selling the video creation process, and you're also selling the ranking process. So it looks very fantastically. You can see tons of proof here and tons of view here. And you can creating videos, you can find clients, you can basically does everything you ever wish for. So but again, keep watching my review. I'm going to talk about the things you do need to watch out. So there are 4 easy steps to get this done. Number 1 is actually creating the campaign. Number 2 is the driving the traffic, and number 3 is a snippet and then sent to the client after your video already got ranked and you want to selling those positions. So you can do this part-time, you can do this full-time. It's all up to you. Okay, all right. So again, the name of the product called Local Vid Pro, and we did including some fantastic software as bonus. And here is a personalized local leads piece. It's another lead generation software, and it's going to help you find more leads. And I think that you actually need this software because I'm going to dive into it why that is here in a minute. And another exclusive bonus is personalized ping. So if you want to get the video ranked, you want to tell Google notify any other ping or Yahoo, any kind of search engine need to ping them. So the ping software is included. And also easy video profit kit. Here's the personal license for this, and this is if you find you need to make even more videos, and here's the software for that. And on top of that, we have put together some fantastic bonus down here and for you to grab, and all that great stuff. So without further ado, let's just kind of dive into the software. One thing I do have to say, they did put a very amount of time to do a very beautiful GUI design. I mean, this is just something that's very eye-candy like, very professional design. I mean, I'm on my Mac right now. As you can see, it shows up right here. Hopefully I can get to that page. Lead gen. Okay, so we have the lead gen page. Basically, this is where you're going to find a prospect and that needs your video servers, either been ranking your videos or creating the videos. And one thing I find out is it cannot be, it will not find results. I mean, if it will not find results if you want specifically tell them what demographic it is. Like I'm in Lexington, Kentucky, and I hit search, I get it immediately. I get an arrow problem right here. However, if I want to do a national search, it does show up. Another problem with this is it takes up to 2 minutes. And so unless you're a very patient person, this is probably not going to cut for you. Okay, so I don't know why did not they design show a couple of results first, then continue search for the next 20 batch. So this time it show up because I have a cache in there as well, because I did search for this. So as you can see, if you going up here, only select 20 results, only going to give you 20 results. What if I want to continue search for the next 20 results? You have to go through this entire process again, select maybe 100 results and go to the entire process again. Depends on the server load. I have found this between under a minute to up to 5 minutes to get results. So if you are a very impatient person, this might not be the software for you. My software X Leads does a whole lot faster, and we actually show you the first batch and the second batch. But if that isn't a problem, this does not have to give you the ability to search in 50 miles range in a zip code, and my Local Profits software does that. So if those are the criteria, you just want to work with the people in your surrounding area, this is not the software for that. But if you want to work with a customer worldwide or national, this will work for you. Just want to put that out there. And one thing I did not test is the email process, and you have to put the SMTP in there. You can mailing out your own server and all that great stuff. You can using Google to mail as well. So that's the section I found that yes, it's working, yes, it's displayed beautifully, but it's the timing thing. So next process you need to do here is actually creating the video itself. And I don't know what the problem is with the software, is that the bar over here, it just doesn't scroll all the way down, because there's a lot of more features and functions that's below here, SEO, image creating, all that stuff. It just doesn't display properly. I cannot scroll all the way down. And maybe there's still developers still fixing this, all that great stuff. But let's take a quick look at the video creating process. Right out of the gate, this idea I absolutely love, because you don't need to have your own computer to render this, and maybe just getting started. You don't need to learn like Camtasia or some advanced video editors to making the video for your local clients. This is an absolutely great idea. But as right off the gate, you will see this takes up to 5 hours to rendering one video. Again, this software wasn't designed for somebody that's very impatient. 5 hours before one video comes out, and that's like almost entire working hour. You have 8 hours working day, so you literally had to render this, then go do something else, your other tasks, and then come back and hopefully getting that emails. Now, throughout our testing, and just keep in mind, when we're testing this, there's barely anyone on there because it's not for sale to the public yet. It still took a 2 hour and 30 minutes to render one video out of the system. And now, but if you don't have any other options, if you don't have a powerful Mac, powerful PC, and you don't just don't want to learn how to do video editing, this is actually a pretty good system. I love the fact that they have the streamline the process. Find the prospects, send them emails, and making the videos for them, and then send them an email again and say, hey, it's done, and I'm going to rank it for you as well. So unless you have a problem with a 5 hour waiting period, you can use this. And I tested this, and my team and I tested this, and you can see I was testing Chinese restaurant again. Let's go see the video link very quick. So it is actually coming out here. So you can, for intro, you can actually select a image from it as an intro. You can upload your video as an intro, and then the idea is for the intro, the main video, and the outro, which is the call to actions. Okay, so for testing, I literally just did this 2 minutes ago. So here's another picture. I selected 2 pictures from their library of the images, Pixel Bay, and then I put a demo video here, and then immediately I put a outro video in here as well. As you can see, it's a 47 minutes long video. It took about, this one, since it's only 47 seconds, it only took about, I think about 10 minutes to do this. So it depends on the length, so keep that in mind. But it's best that when you if you schedule your daily tasks, this is something that you need to schedule early in your day. Get the rendering. You can add lots of cool features such as an intro, outro, little third watermark text, animate text, and background audios, and all that good stuff into here. So you have no other video tools, this is great for you. But if you have other video tools, you're probably better off using the other video tools, because it's faster. If you want to, let's say a client on the phone trying to close a deal, and the client say, hey, can you show me something within an hour or so? If you want to able to do that, this is probably not a tool for that. And you probably want to render out Camtasia, you probably want to render out some other software. But if you schedule another next day meetings with the client to show him what you created for him, this is totally doable. So just want to kind of point that out. And the next thing is the ranking process. So basically, the software does what my software XRanker 360 does, is that it puts these videos, they schedule it into your YouTube channels as a live event, which help you ranking that very, very fast. And what that is absolutely correct. And what they don't need, what they don't tell you about is that your video will not stay up there. You actually have to build more backlink into it to keep up there, which I highly recommend pick up my X360 courses, and we're going to teach you exactly not only to using the live stream put you up there, give you the right keyword to rank, but we also going to teach you how to backlink it correctly so your ranking keep up there. So you know what, I'm gonna give that course as a free bonus for you guys to know exactly what you need to do. Just schedule a live stream. It's not enough to keep the video up there. You will come up to the be able to within 60 minutes or 5 minutes, or even within 24 hours. And one thing I don't see this thing does is our software X-Rank 360 actually goes to multiple keywords and only give you the ones that it's actually already ranked. So a little bit a different way to build a software system. So this is actually does not have a keyword research module, because this is actually developed for local marketers only. And my software actually does by having keyword research, so you know exactly which keywords to target. But local marketing keywords are super easy. You just literally put the plumber, the name, CD name, and boom, you're gonna rank there, because not many competition out there. So this is gonna be something that you need to get the software and test it out, all that great stuff. With all that being said, if you're looking for another local marketing lead generation software, local marketing video creating software, or local marketing ranking software, ranking video software, this is the software to be. And I know this one was designed specifically for local video marketing, but this can also be using for other marketing as well, as long as you're using video. And I don't see why not. You cannot use this to creating affiliate marketing or promoting your own products. This can all be done in here. Just keep in mind the software creation here is not going to be Hollywood style. It's going to be slideshow style sort of video. So if your client doesn't mind that, that's doable. But if your client wants professional shooting, you're probably going to have to charge them like 10 grand to do those 2 1-minute videos. We're having professional service people come in. This is not a software in fact, none of the software does that. You do have to have a professional Premiere Pro, all that stuff to editing this. So anyway, this will get you in the door, get your client likes you, get that video sold. I think this is going to be really helpful for you. But you do have to keep in mind one thing I really don't like about this. It makes you wait for very long times. 2 minutes to get the leads. Sometimes it takes about 5 minutes to get the entire thing shows up. Number 2 is when you're rendering the video, it takes up to 5 hours. But keep in mind, that could be just 10 minutes, it could be 1 hour. It all depends on the server load. Alright, so this is what Local Vid Pro is, and if you feel this is the right product for you to get your hands on, whether you're a video marketer, want to sell your video skills, ranking skill, making video skills to a local business, this is great software to pick it up. Or if you're local marketers and you want to add video servers into your package and want to sell this to your existing clients or new clients, have a new prospect, new clients, this is a pretty decent software to get. And so yeah, so this is what Local Vid Pro is all about. So if you want to pick it up, make sure you click cookies, grab on the link below, because we are going to hook you up some bonuses. That is going to be something I think you actually very much need. So you can work on this while you're working the other aspect of your business as well. Okay, so all that being said, make sure you clean cookies, grab this thing early, so they do have an early bird price, and we have a $3 off coupon code for you guys. So make sure you check it what that is, and make sure you use it so you get an early bird discount as well. Again, this is your friend Han. Until next time, keep smiling, and I'll be talking to you in the next exciting video. Cheers.